This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Towne Realty property video is presented by Sherry Mulhare. Enjoy one-floor living in the nationally recognized Ford's Colony community. Located in the tucked-away Nottinghamshire subdivision of Ford's Colony, this gorgeous custom-built home boasts a generous open floor plan with a kitchen made for entertaining. This home features a split-bedroom floor plan, office great room with fireplace and coffered ceilings, formal dining room, wraparound granite in kitchen and bathrooms, amazing kitchen island, breakfast nook, walk-in pantry, and luxury plank flooring throughout the first floor. Spend time on your easy breeze screened-in porch overlooking green space. Finished room over garage with skylights and full bath can be a fourth bedroom or media room. Relax and enjoy all the lifestyle opportunities Ford's Colony has to offer along with maintenance-free landscaping. For more information, review the details below or contact Sherry Mulhare at 757-719-4112.